Hi, my name is Kylan, and today we're gonna make traditional Chinese pastry.
We're gonna make mung bean mooncake. So the bean looks like this.
To make mung bean mooncake, you need mung bean and sugar, coconut oil, and matcha powder for taste. My grandma already helped me prepare the mung bean. She soaked it in the water for 8 hours and then steamed it for half an hour. That's why this is hot. Ow, ow, ow! First, ask your parents to help you grind the bean. Then we're gonna add sugar in it. Some everywhere.
Just don't click, Kylan.
I'm gonna put it
on the coconut oil. You rub it?
Love it. My hands. What are you doing to my precious hands?
Yeah, what are you doing to our precious hands? Let's see if we can make a ball.
Me too. Yeah, let's see if we can make a ball.
I already made a ball.
Everybody, I'm gonna make a ball mooncake.
And everybody, I'm gonna make a huge soccer ball. We don't have to make 2 different flavors.
Yup. One is this flavor, one is matcha flavor.
To make matcha flavor, we'll mix the matcha powder with the beans.
Put it with the matcha.
Until it's all green.
Almost all green. Now we're gonna use a mooncake mold.
Make a lot of small balls first. Like golf ball size.
Take the spade.
That's actually a little bigger than the golf ball.
No, it's not. Golf ball is this size. So this is the final part.
You can eat it right away.
Or you can just put it in the fridge for a little hour and then you can eat it.
This one is hot.
This one is hard.
They're hard.
This is the best ever.
It's healthy too.
It's not karma, wish I paid.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.